Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start part 3 of maps, and in this video we will discuss about the sketch and plan. In the previous video we were discussing about the components of maps, in which we discussed direction, distance and symbol. So let's start with the conventional symbols. Some of the conventional symbols are shown in this figure 4.3. You can see here railway line, broad gauge, meter gauge, railway stations. This is broad gauge, meter gauge, railway station. This is the symbol of railway station. What is the meaning of broad gauge? Broad gauge. Gauge is the symbol of, means we can say that gauge symbolic the distance between two tracks. This one is indication of gauge, and it depends on the distance between these two tracks. For example, broad gauge approximately 1.676 meter distance between two tracks. Meter gauge distance 1 meter, right? Railway station, this is the symbol of railway station. Roads, metal roads, unmetalled, also known as kacha roads, and these are the metal roads. Boundary, international boundary, like between India and Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, India and Sri Lanka, like this. State, the boundary between states, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, UP, Uttarakhand, etc. And district of the particular state. These are the symbols of district lines. River, well in the village, tank, canal, bridge. Temple, in the same way, this is church, mosque and chhatri. Post office, PO, post and telegraph office, PTO, and police station, PS. Settlement, residential area, graveyard and trees, green color, and this is for grass. So these are the symbols. See here, this is figure 4.4. This is a sketch. Sundarpur village and its surrounding areas. What is a sketch? Sketch is the particular drawn on a paper or a piece of paper. This is drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. The main feature of sketch is there is no scale. It means without the use of scale, the distance is shown on the paper, that is known as sketch. For example, roughly, this is the roughly drawing, understand? For example, you are asking to your friend where is his home, so he will tell you that you have to come from this direction. After that you will enter in the colony, then you will have to turn left and walk 100 meters, then you will have to turn to right. After walking 200 meters you have to turn to left. So this is not the scale that how many centimeters are used for 100 meter, how many centimeters are used for here 200 meter or 300 meter. Just it is the roughly drawing on the paper. So this is the sketch. You can see in this figure, this is the sketch. This is school, Tumri village, and here residential area, trees, railway station, railway track, right? In the same way, Vasantpur, this is Vasantpur, Sundarpur, and this is Dumri. So these are the villages, and this is the symbol of river in blue color. So in the same figure you can see the directions. For example, the direction of this school, right? From the school, in which direction Vasantpur lies, it means in north direction, as we have discussed, north, south, east and west. And from this point, from the point, you can say that the point here, Moscow, from this point in which direction Dumri lies in south direction. In which direction to this point river flows? In this direction. This direction is east and here south. So this is southeast. This is southeast. So let's read. A sketch is drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Sometimes a rough drawing is required to an area to tell where a particular place is located with respect to other places. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house but you do not know the way. Your friend may make a rough drawing to show the way of his house, as we have discussed before a short while. And what is plan? Plan is drawing of small area on a large scale. A large scale map gives a lot of information. For example, you have to show something on the paper in detail, right? So for that purpose you have to make plan. For example, your house, your room, drawing of your room. So sometimes we want to know, for example, the length and breadth of room. So large scale map gives a lot of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know. For example, the length and breadth of a room, which cannot be shown in a map. So for this purpose we need plan. At that time we can refer drawings drawn to scale called a plan. These questions you can answer easily after looking 4.4 figure, in which direction is the river flowing. We have discussed about it. What kind of road passes by the side of village Dumri, on what type of railway line is Sundarpur situated, on which side of railway bridge is police station situated, and on which side of the railway line do the following lie: Chhatri, church, pond, mosque, river, post and telegraph office, and graveyard. So in this way you can easily tell the directions and proper situation. This is the exercises. Answer the following questions briefly. You will get the answers in PDF form, so you can solve yourself also. What are the 3 components of map? Before a short while we discussed in the previous video. What are the 4 cardinal directions? What do we mean by term the scale of the map? Because we are using the scale in the map. The map is important, but without scale the map cannot be possible. How are maps more helpful than a globe? Because these consist of more and more information. Distinguish between a map and plan. Which map provides detailed information, thematic, and distribution about the different kinds of things. How do symbols help in reading maps? Because without symbols we cannot read the maps, and the things cannot be written on the map, so symbols are important. Take the correct answer. Very easy. Maps showing distribution of forest are thematic maps. The blue color is used for water bodies. Compass is used for find the main direction. Scale is necessary for a map. So these were the questions. Things to do. This is about the activities you can do yourself. So dear students, in this way we have completed the chapter. You have to revise the chapter, read from the text and PDF form, and revise the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.